Your next challenge.
What's the next challenge?
Well, each team needs to pick 3 people.
Okay then. Who do we pick?
How about Mario and Luigi? They're the most athletic here. Well, that's true. Yeah, that's true. I am the most athletic here. And I will be the last person. Come on.
Okay, we won last challenge. That's good. But we might lose this challenge. As your team captain, I'm going to pick everyone to go. How about Icebird?
Me? Oh, God. Creeper? Okay, then.
And...
Oh, screw it. Sammy.
What? I can't believe this.
Huh, so these are professionals, huh? Well, I can't believe they picked me. I've been useless. I can't believe they picked me. All right, win again. You win us another win. Get us another win. Did you have to sit on me? Sorry. Now I'm afraid, don't you dare. What? I said... Yeah. You're disgusting. I spoke too soon. I should have never said anything to you. Here is your challenge. Follow me. What? Ah! What the? Are those tubes? What the? No. Dang it, I can't fit. They'll be back. Yeah, they'll be back. Here's your challenge. Are those Red, Matilda, Jay? What are y'all doing here? Oh, hey, Icebird. He told us to be in the challenge for some reason. I don't know why. Anyways, pick your bird. Why is there 3 reds? Budget. We don't have a lot of birds. Besides, you, Stella, and Hal are all in here. Yeah. If you and Hal, or Stella, Hal, or Stella and you were in here, then there would be enough birds and not 2 copies of me. We cloned him. Oh, okay. Why does one of them have limbs? I don't know. He's a reject. Hey! Shut up. You have the same voice as me somehow. Okay. So yeah, pick your bird. Wasn't even that funny. Okay. Whatever. Alright. Pick your birds already. Okay. Which one's gonna get me the furthest? I'll pick the red one. The name's Red, you know. I don't give a fuck. Oh god, I have to throw these? I don't have arms. I guess I could use my mouth. Who are you?
I'm Jay.
Oh god, this is gonna feel wrong. Come on. I'm just gonna grab you with my feet.
Ow, my hair.
Sorry. Oh god, it's not hair, it's tough stuff. Oh, it's your feathers.
Oh yeah.
This feels so wrong. I guess I'll take the reject. Okay. Alright. I don't know what to choose. Okay. Let me think. Oh, I know. I'll take the white one. I guess that leaves me with the blue one. Oh, nice, Orange Bear. You got Jake. Yeah, so what? The blue ones are the fastest. What? And you didn't tell us this before? Well, y'all picked before me. Too fast. I didn't get to tell y'all. If we lose, you're going home, Icebird. No, I'm not. We're not even gonna lose this. Yeah, we are, and you're going home. Well, only us are up for elimination. I know that. That's why I'm voting for you. Don't be so hard on him. It's your fault you picked so fast. Okay, you're right. Let's just toss them. The joggers will go first. Dang it. Wait, what happened to your voice? I don't know. Alright. I guess the red ones ain't that very fast. Yeah, I'm kind of fast. I have an ability. What's your ability? push things over with force of anger, that ain't gonna help. Not that far. Pretty far. It's not that far. Dang it. Yeah, I've flown on a fling shot farther than this. You suck at throw. Oh, shut up. Whatever. Whatever. Ugh, I swear, I'm voting for you if we lose. Don't need to, because we're gonna win. Ugh, how do you know we're even gonna win? What? Hey, how'd he go farther? Yeah, how did he go further than mine?
Oh yeah, smaller birds go faster.
Oh. Well, I guess. Thanks, I guess. Alright, what's your ability? I can shoot eggs out of my flaps. Good to know. Can you, use that ability to advance? Well, it boosts me a little bit when I use it. No abilities are allowed, by the way. Dang it. Come on. Okay. Get out of here. A 1, a 2, a... You failed. Nice. A little better than Orange Bear. Okay, I just gotta throw the reject. Out of bounds. What? Out of bounds? Dang it. Wait, how would you even vote for Iceberg if he's not even on our team? Oh, I forgot about that. Teams got mixed up, okay? Okay, then. A 1, a 2, a...
So these poor souls have no choice but to just...
No, you failure! He pushed me off! Dang it. Yes! Good work, Orange Bear. You're a good team leader. Thanks. Dang it. Sorry, guys. We might lose this one. Go over there. Okay. Iceberg, we're gonna win. We're gonna lose. Oh, no, we're not. What the? Ow! Ow! Oh, you are disqualified. What? You used an ability for your advantage. You gotta be kidding me. So, the Joggers win, and the Rockets lose. I'll see you at elimination. Dang it.